everyone. So recently I got the request for some corrections, some plumbing corrections. So the customer asking me to hang the water pipes on the frame to make them like how it's supposed to be. So somebody did it before, it was existing pipes and they're just laying it down on the ground. You can see on the pictures. Yeah, so what we need right now with crawlspace, and we'll see what we have there. And there is our pipes going down from the water heater, and the plan is just lift it up and screw it with the straps on into these joists. Should be super simple, but let's see. So right now this duct is on the way. You see the pipes going all the way there. So to lift it, we need to remove this duct. So we have strap like this. So this is plumbing strap. So I will just take the pipes one, two. Just hang it like that. That's it. Very simple and easy. Using these screws. So now we will start to cut the plastic so we can have access to the pipes, and probably I won't show you this on camera. It's pretty like simple, just cut it all the way where the pipe is going and just lay it under the pipes. So I will show you the result. So like you see here, it's so simple, one screw. Yeah, so I actually already cut the plastic and hang it up because it was super tight there, but it's pretty simple. So the pipe is going all the way there, like around like 25 feet. So every 4 or 5 feet I'll just hang it like this, the same. It's super simple. The plumbing strap like this, one screw, drape it and screw it to the joist. Super simple, super easy. Right now it's left only to wrap it. This is the insulation. The insulation guys probably come tomorrow, Monday. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope it will help you. Just wanted to show in this video that everyone can make it. You don't need to be a professional plumber to pass inspection. If you have like issue like I had, that the pipe was existing pipe was laying on the ground. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you later. Bye bye.